Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this solar powered fan. So this can be charged a couple of different ways. It has a solar panel, and once charged it can run for several hours off of the charge, or I think it's a 13,000 mega amp hours battery pack on there. So here's this big solar panel. This is probably 18 inches by 20 inches ish. Pretty good size there. And it has this cord here on the back, and looks to be excuse me, probably pretty long, almost probably about 6 to 8 feet long there. Right, that's pretty cool. And this is adjustable. It has this little stand on the back, and you can just simply tighten down these wing nuts if you wanted to adjust this to whichever way you want to. You can just tighten that down. And set it in the sunshine so it's getting the correct amount of sunlight. That's pretty cool. Okay, then in here we have a fan. That's pretty sweet. It's got this nice screen, metal screen around here. So it's got the metal blades, but real solid screen around there, so no one's gonna be able to get hurt by putting their fingers in there. It's got this base with these rubber pads, and a nice, this is completely adjustable too, to basically 180 degrees. We have an output here, LED, I'm sorry, not LED, has a little LED screen here, shows the battery charge. Oh, so it's at 12 there. Whoa, that is, okay, that's just showing the speeds. It's got 12 fan speeds. That's pretty cool. And the battery indicator there, it shows it's fully charged. So that's actually putting out a lot of air there. That's pretty sweet. And not only that, it comes with, if you want to charge up this battery pack, it has an indoor charger, and also like a cigarette lighter adapter plug in there too. So that is pretty cool. So we can also use this power button, fan battery capacity. What those little lights are on the top, what those indicate is if it's charging or not, more than likely. So charge time 3 to 5 hours depending, and then working time 5 to 20 hours. That's pretty amazing. Let's check out, since it's already fully charged here, let's see how much air is coming off of this thing. Just turn it on with one button. It goes right on 12. It's like, whoa, that's a crazy amount of air there actually. That's that's actually really impressive. That's probably the most powerful battery powered fan I've ever come across. It's just like a regular plug-in fan that you would run in your house, except this one's completely portable. So if you're going camping or something like that, at a work site, somewhere we didn't have ability to plug things in, you'd have this fan right there. That's super cool. I'm gonna go put it outside, actually probably run it for a bit to run down the battery, and then we'll throw the solar panel in the sunshine and see how it charges up. Hey friends, so super hot day outside today. So I've been working on my fence, and this thing has been like a lifesaver. I was just trying to test the battery the other night, so I ran this pretty much for like 12 hours straight. It's just crazy how long this battery lasts. And then not only that, I've been running this on high just to keep myself cool outside here while I'm building the fence, because there's no breeze really right now. And I can run this, let's see, it's fully charged, and I've been running this on high the whole time. So what was about halfway, and I can just run this fan on high now, and puts out a lot of breeze there. I'm super happy with this thing. I mean, I can just sit here and just get cooled off. I'm just blowing my shirt around. Feels like a nice warm breeze, and the solar panel can keep up with this. It'll keeps it fully charged while this thing is running on high. It's pretty impressive. Really actually impressed with it. So I thought I'd share this, guys. Yeah, it was, I think I had it about half battery, and I put it outside of the solar panel, probably maybe 2-3 hours. It was like fully charged. And this battery, just like I said, on here, it just pretty much runs forever. We literally had it running all night long just to test it. I think I ran it for all night overnight, and it was still like just half full. So impressive battery life, guys. Great fan here. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.